Dear students, in the last video we have studied about past indefinite tense, and today we will study about past continuous tense in active passive voice. In passive voice, was, were plus being plus third form of the verb are used. Now look at the formulas. In active voice, if a sentence is assertive, the formula will be was, were plus verb and ing form of the verb. And when you convert the sentence into passive voice, the formula will be was, were plus being plus third form of the verb. Now I am giving you a tip to remember this formula, that if a sentence is in continuous tense, past continuous, we will use being in between. And if a sentence is negative, then the formula will be was, were plus not plus verb and ing form. And the formula in passive voice will be was, were plus not plus being and third form of the verb. If a sentence is interrogative, the formula will be was, were plus subject plus verb and its ing form. And when you convert the interrogative sentence into passive voice, the formula will be was, were plus subject plus being plus third form of the verb. Now look at the examples. In assertive sentence, I was writing a letter. Now from here you will come to know that it is past continuous tense. In past tense we will use was or were, and with I we will use was and ing form of the verb, means writing. So the sentence is I was writing a letter. When you convert this sentence into passive voice, the answer will be a letter will be the subject here, and you have to add was or were. So a letter is in a singular form, so you will use was from here, and being you have to add then third form of the verb. Verb here is write and third form is written, then by me. So the sentence is a letter was being written by me. Look at another example. He was eating food. Again from here you will come to know that it is past continuous tense. Was plus verb plus ing. And when you convert the sentence, the answer will be food will become the subject, and with food again it is a singular noun, so you will use was here and being will be added, then third form of the verb and by him. Answer will be food was being eaten by him. Now look at negative sentence. They were not playing chess. Now how did you come to know that it is negative sentence, and that too in past continuous? Were plus not verb and ing form. So when you convert the sentence, the answer will be chess. It is a singular noun, so chess was not. Look at the formula, was, were plus not, so you will use not here, then being played, third form of the verb, play is the verb, third form is played by them. The answer will be chess was not being played by them. Look at another example. In negative sentence, they were not laughing at the beggar. Now with they we will use were, and when you convert the sentence into passive voice, the answer will be the beggar. Again the noun is in singular form, so the beggar was not being laughed at. Third form of laugh is laughed, and at will be in continuation by them. The answer will be the beggar was not being laughed at by them. Now look at the interrogative sentence. What were the children doing? The answer will be what was being. Now look at the formula, was, were plus subject. So here you will use was, then being done, being, and third form of the verb do is done by the children. What was being done by the children? Look at another example. Who was knocking at the door? So earlier also I told you, if a sentence starts with who in active voice, when you convert into passive voice, the answer will start from by whom. So the answer will be by whom was the door. Again, the door is singular, so you will use was here. By whom was the door being knocked at? Another example, were they playing cricket? With they we will use were. So the question is, were they playing cricket? The answer will be was cricket. Cricket is singular, so you will use was here. You will start with was cricket, then being, and third form of the verb. Verb is here play, third form will be played. Answer will be was cricket being played by them. Look at another example in interrogative sentence. Why were you not? Now see, it is interrogative but negative also. Why were you not reading English? The answer will be, why was English not being, third form of verb read is read by you. The answer will be, why was English not being read by you? Exercise which I am giving you.